Hello students, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, we are going to learn how to become a business analyst full roadmap. In this video, we are going to discuss what is business analyst and what are the skills you require to become a business analyst. While you are learning, what are the projects you have to do and what are the companies you can apply after learning business analyst course, and what is the average package of business analyst in India, and what are the companies providing the requirements for business analyst. And finally, I'm going to give free resources for this business analyst course. So if you want these free resources, please watch video up to the end. Okay, let us dive into the video. Simply, a business analyst is a person is the bridge between business needs and technology solutions. They analyze data process and systems to help companies make better decisions and improve efficiency. A business analyst is a bridge between business needs and technology solutions. So based on his decisions only, company will improve its efficiency. There are several skills we have to learn if you want to become a data analyst. In this, I have divided into four types of skills. First skill is SQL. So you must know database language. One database language that will be SQL, structured query language, and you should know how to work with the tables and relations and dependencies of the data. Next, you should be perfect in Excel. Especially in Excel, you should know data related things like VLOOKUP, pivot tables, and data analysis tools. All this you should be perfect to become a data analyst. And next, you should have data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. In future classes, I will give the roadmap for Power BI, and I will give free course also for Power BI course. Next, you should have good communication skills and problem solving skills to deal with the clients. These are the most required skills to become a data analyst in present market. Here I am giving few project ideas. While you are learning, go with these project styles, then you will get a good resume. Data driven decision making skill, like UI and UX analysis, user experience analysis. After the design you have to learn this, and evaluate the user experience of a company's website, mobile app by conducting usability testing, analyzing user feedback, and identifying areas for improvement. Develop recommendations to enhance the UX and drive together customer satisfaction and engagement. So while you are doing project, keep these points in mind and start doing your real-time projects. Next, market research and competitive analysis. This is very important point in business analyst journey. And choose an industry or market segment and conduct in-depth research to understand market trends, customer preferences, and competitor strategies. Create a comprehensive report with insights and recommendations to help the company better position itself in the market. Next, the third one, data analysis and visualization project. Very important. It will add weight to your resume. Analyze data sets and related to specific business problem or opportunity. For example, sales data, customer feedback data. Like this, these data you have to take from Google or GitHub, and you have to analyze that data and make charts using tools like Excel, SQL, data visualization software. So you can use Power BI also, and you can use Tableau also. By using that softwares or the tools, you have to make wonderful visualization projects. So these are the project ideas while you are learning business analytics course. So after learning what are the jobs you can apply as a business analyst you have learned. After learning that, you can apply for business analyst, data analyst, financial analyst, market research analyst, product analyst, quality assurance analyst, QA analyst we call it. So these jobs are suitable for you after learning above required skills. Coming to the average salary in India, a full stack, full stack business analyst we will call sometimes. So that will be 2.9 to 17 lakhs will be there based on experience. As a fresher, you can get 3 lakhs plus. So if you take average salary, that will be 7 lakhs. And if you want more details related to average salary and highest packages, all these, you can visit this link I will put in description. So what are the companies providing these business analyst above roles? Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, IBM, Deloitte, Accenture, JP Morgan, all these companies providing jobs in these roles. So here I am giving few resources where you can get this business analytics course. We have academy.hubspot and analytics google.com is giving a course, and mindluster is giving a course. These links I will provide in description. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are finding this will be useful to you. That's it guys. If you want more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends.